And when you started kind of your looking at metallurgy and doing material science, did you have a career path in mind that were you academic path? Were you looking at industry? Were you looking at any specific
Yeah.
type of track as you
No, this
started, or did
is
that kind of
yeah.
grow organically?
Yeah, no, this is interesting. I probably I have told some of my close friends this, but this is kind of like the first time. Probably a lot of people will actually learn about it
It's breaking
in your
news.
in your
Breaking
show.
news. We're gonna need the
Yeah.
Chiron on
So
the bottom.
yeah, my idea was getting my engineering degree and go to work, right? No, really, driving force for getting PhD or getting into, even academia, right? Uh, so I think it was the third year of my undergrad, and I went to do intern. Okay, and that was a car company, and I went to the casting house of that car company to do my intern. I made the wrong decision. Okay, so because I had the capability to go to more kind of an engineering, clean, work for the internship. I went to the most dirtiest part of the company, and that 3 months was so hard for me. Okay, when I finished that, I said, okay, I want to go to the PhD because I don't I don't want to become an engineer working in these shops. Okay, and this is real. That was the first thing I said. Okay, well, no, I should continue. And again, as I learn more and more about materials and how it impacts and how actually the material science and metallurgy is a field that never ends, right? It actually adds to my curiosity, and it adds to kind of a driving force. Okay, I need to learn more. I need to do more research, and I really like doing research. So I went to the grad school, and for the grad school, I went to Japan. As you know, I went to Tohoku University in Japan. Again, I would say one of the best metallurgy schools in the world. So yeah, I had a chance to basically see a different culture, see a different, obviously way of working and in learning.